Z is the shortcut for the zoom tool. I'm pressing Alt or Option to click and zoom out. So let's assume that we have our perfect background selection. And I'll go to a selection tool like W for the magic wand, and then right click and select inverse, and that will select our main character. So what I'll do now is go to the move tool, and we'll click and drag our character into our other document, the design. Now sometimes you'll be working with different resolutions. Alright, remember this selection isn't perfect, as you can see some choppiness there. Like I said, I'm working at screen resolution, so what I'm just going to do is press Control T, Controller Command T, so I can transform my selection down to size for the document I'm working on. So now I'll press Control 0, Controller Command 0, and that is the shortcut that'll get me the full view. And now what I like to do is just hold down Shift, Alt, or Option, and then drag in, and it'll transform our selection here, our character, down to size. Okay, now I'm just going to bring in our other combatant, which I've already pre-selected here, and we'll just take our move tool and drag him in. Okay. So now what I'll do once again is edit transform. I use the shortcut. Basically just go to free transform, Controller Command T. Alright, and then if you can't see the outside boundaries, Controller Command 0 is that nice shortcut. And then I'll press Control Alt or Control Option and just scale it in to bring it into size. Once again, I'm working at screen resolution. Alright, so now press Enter to apply the transformation, and let's get back to our zoom tool here, and let's zoom in. Okay, now since these two are kind of facing each other, if we want them to, well, actually they're facing the same way. If we want them to face each other, that's pretty simple. All you can do is just go to Edit, Transform, Flip Horizontal, and that will go ahead and switch them around to face the other way. Okay, so let's put him in the background since he's got more dark going on that fits with the background.